The exhibition is very much based on the previous iterations, but we've looked at Shanghai and how we would bring it to a new audience there. This has allowed us to bring in new objects and new garments and also focus on the story of Dior in China. The new look was the name for Christian Dior's first collection. From that collection, the bar suit is shown here from the most recent version by Maria Grazia Chiuri, moving back in time all the way to 1947 to the original bar suit. With the Dior in China section, we look at how the culture, the sartorial history and also the rich legacy of textiles in China have influenced both Christian Dior and the subsequent artistic directors who've worked at the house. There are 270 haute couture dresses on display in the exhibition, all from the impressive Dior Heritage Archive, which catalogues over 70 years of the House of Dior. For all of the Dior exhibitions, Dior has a team of specialists who look at mounting and installation and unpacking the dresses, so it was really disappointing that we couldn't travel to Shanghai. However, the team made specific instruction films, and there's a wonderful team in Shanghai who've been able to look at these videos and use them as instructions to install the show. Because of the scale of the space, we were really able to experiment and play with the positioning and the height of the garments. It's been really exciting to be able to include quite a number of dresses that have never been displayed before. So really they've been shown to the public for the first time. And some of them are quite impressive ball gowns which really evoke the spirit of Dior.